From time immemorial, Mother Earth has provided us with its great mineral wealth to use for the development of mankind. We have made good use of those minerals, thereby improving life on our planet. Throughout history, people worldwide have dedicated their lives to the development of technologies to get the maximum advantage from that mineral wealth, and more recently, they have transformed those minerals into products to make our daily lives easier. The following is the story of one company that has dedicated itself to this purpose. Mexichem. Mexichem is a 100% Mexican world-class company. Certified by global organizations, it is a leader among chemical companies with a high potential of maximum growth and profitability, operating with the highest efficiency, safety, health, and environmental protection standards. Within this context, Mexichem is subdivided into three large productive chains: the chlorine vinyl chain, the integral solutions chain, and the fluorine chain. The chlorine vinyl chain is focused on extraction of sodium chloride to produce chlorine, soda, vinyl chloride, and polyvinyl chloride, or PVC. These producing plants are located in strategic places around Mexico and Latin America, and every year their continuous operations supply hundreds of customers with tons of top-quality products made from sodium chloride. The integral solutions chain is responsible for processes and products with the most added value, such as PVC composites, products custom-made for clients to be transformed into final products, such as wire insulation, films, toys, etc. These products are made using additives to achieve the desired features of the final product, thus making possible its optimal processing for customers' equipment. However, the most important product in this chain is PVC piping. With this product, we have a strong market presence all over Latin America, providing development and well-being to millions of people. Even when piping is manufactured with different plastics or polymers, PVC is the most frequently used, and since Mexichem is the largest integrated manufacturer in Latin America, our position is unsurpassed. The focus of the fluorine chain, which we are going to discuss in this presentation, is on mining and transformation of fluorite into high-value added products. Mexichem Fluor begins its transformation in 2004 as a result of Mexichem Group's vision and interest in developing a productive chain which would integrate the extraction of fluorspar by Compañía Minera Las Cuevas in San Luis Potosí with its next stage, the production of hydrofluoric acid carried out by the Mexichem Fluor plant in Matamoros. With the exceptional coming together of Minera Las Cuevas and Química Flúor, Mexichem Fluor is born, becoming a fundamental strength in the Mexichem organization. The state of San Luis Potosí, located in the heart of Mexico's Central Plateau, has, by geological nature, the richest fluoride deposit in the world, and this deposit has been exploited on an industrial scale since 1957. Directly responsible for this is Mexichem Fluor, a Mexican company and the #1 producer of fluorite in the world, thanks to an acute business vision based on a constant mechanization of its processes and to an ambitious leadership policy and an evolution of supported growth. Fluorite, trade name for calcium fluoride, is a basic mineral in the steel-making process, in cement production, and also an essential ingredient in the chemical and aluminum industries. It is marketed in two classes, metallurgical gravel and acid-grade concentrate. Initially, fluorite is mined by controlled explosions. The resulting rock is crushed and sorted until metallurgical gravel is obtained. This product is then used in the iron, steel, glass, and ceramic industries. It is also used as a welding compound and as a desulfuring agent in the steel industry, and works as a mineralizer in clinker production in the cement industry. Acid-grade concentrate is obtained through a system of flotation. Once this procedure is completed, the product is transported to chemical plants to be used as raw material for obtaining hydrofluoric acid, which in turn is utilized for the elaboration of various products, the main ones being refrigeration gases, fluoropolymers, gasolines, metal surface cleaners, fluorinated salts, and electronic components. It is also used in the manufacture of aluminum fluoride, a primary compound in metallic aluminum production. Due to the great demand for these two fluorite derivatives, Mexichem Flu enjoys genuine global prestige, exporting to the 5 continents. Proof of this is the fact that Mexichem Flu is the first plant of its kind to have achieved the prestigious Certificate Award ISO 9002, a coveted prize that is joined with an aggressive and carefully planned sales strategy, keeping this company at the forefront of its class as a highly profitable entity of global leadership. During March of 2008, Mexichem Flu acquired what was previously the Minerales y Productos de Florida SADCV facilities located in Rio Verde, San Luis Potosí, and Álamos de Martínez, Guanajuato. Their objective being to produce the fluorspar mining tailings and fluorspar fines originating from that mine in order to obtain concentrates with the specifications required for domestic and international markets. The Rio Verde unit starts up operations in March of 2008 and the Álamos unit in 2010. Expansion of these units has been significant, with an increase in production from 3,600 metric tons at the start of operations to 12,500 metric tons by 2013. The district of Rio Verde has great mining potential with evidence of fluorite mineralization on more than 50 sites. Only 2 of these have been explored in detail, but up to 1 million metric tons of fluorspar have been discovered there. Proven reserves on Mexichem Flu property have risen to 3.5 million metric tons. Our final product is CaF2, or calcium fluoride, which is fluorspar when in a concentration above 97%, and this product has diverse markets. It is supplied as raw material to our sister unit, the Mexichem Flu Matamoros plant, for the preparation of hydrofluoric acid. Various worldwide destinations are the other markets for this product, which is shipped through Altamira and Tampico harbors. It is important to mention that Rio Verde has sufficient water resources for the development of processes. The city of Matamoros, Tamaulipas, located in the northern part of the country, is home to another enterprise which is part of Mexichem Flu. This chemical plant, which started operations in 1975, is a producer and marketer of both anhydrous and aqueous hydrofluoric acid, as well as aluminum fluoride. The annual production of hydrofluoric acid is more than 2,700 million pounds at its 2 production plants. It is mainly exported to the United States, making Mexichem the second largest producer in the world of this valuable chemical. When fluorite is put in contact with sulfuric acid, hydrogen fluoride anhydrous is formed. Once this new acid is produced in its gaseous form, it is washed, cooled, condensed, and purified. Hydrofluoric acid is produced by diluting hydrogen fluoride anhydrous with water. From hydrofluoric acid, refrigeration gases are produced. We are reminded of its existence every time we open our refrigerator, when we turn on the air conditioning in our homes, cars, and offices, and when we serve ourselves food that has been maintained cool and fresh. Other derivatives of hydrogen fluoride anhydrous are specialized polymers which have high resistance both chemically and physically and are therefore appropriate for use in the making of certain household appliances and in certain applications in the automotive industry. This same substance is also used as a propellant gas in certain orally administered medications. Hydrofluoric acid is also used for the production of high-octane gasolines. Uranium hexafluoride in nuclear fuel production, in the manufacture of electronic circuit chips, in televisions, in the production of fluorinated salts, and for cleaning metallic surfaces, among other uses. In turn, aluminum fluoride, most recently incorporated into the product line of the Matamoros plant, is used as a melting and purifying agent in the production of metallic aluminum, a product which is widely used in the construction and aerospace industry, and as packing material for food and beverages. 98% of the total production of the Matamoros plant is for exportation, representing a commitment of the company, since such apportionment strengthens the country's economy. That's why the Mexichem Flu Matamoros plant is a highly automated company searching to maintain a profitable growth and competitive advantages within the market through careful attention and continuous improvement to its most valuable attributes: its customers, its community, its employees, and its environment. The Mexichem Flu plant, located in Melchor Musquis, Coahuila, strengthens even more its operations in March of 2012 by acquiring Fluoride de Mexico and taking over the technical and administrative management for the exploitation of La Sabina mine and for operation of its concentration plant. In Musquis, there is a plant where hydrometallurgical ore beneficiation of fluorspar is performed for the production of concentrated acid grade. The processed mineral is extracted from La Sabina mine, which is located in La Encantada Mountains, 170 kilometers northwest of Musquis, in the heart of the Buena Vista district in the Ocampo municipality of Coahuila. This region is rich in fluorspar deposits. The ore obtained is of great value to our customers since it is characterized by its low arsenic content, making it attractive for the production of anesthetic gases, dental cleaners, appliances, coverings for equipment in contact with food, and those products which require high sanitation control. The installed capacity of the flotation plant is 110,000 metric tons per year. At present, the products made at the Mexichem Flu Musquis unit are exported to Japan, the United States, Germany, and Italy, countries requiring the high acid grade concentrate quality produced in our plant. Products from the Mexichem Flu Musquis unit are sent to the USA by railroad and shipped to Europe through shipping companies located in Manzanillo and Altamira. With the acquisition of Fluoride de Mexico, Mexichem has grown in leadership to become one of the main developers of the local economy because it's considered the most important mining unit in Musquis, Coahuila, sharing a social responsibility by generating direct and indirect employment for the community, caring for the environment through environmentally friendly processes, developing training and productivity programs for its collaborators, and having as the principal focus of its daily actions safety, health, and care of the environment. These, among other qualities, have made Mexichem the proud recipient of the Clean Industry Certificate. Mexichem Flu El Patio is the place where minerals from the mine are received. It is a storage and distribution center in charge of dividing up batches and shipping the ore to national and international customers. There is also the Mexichem main data center, which supports the technological infrastructure which integrates and centralizes all Mexichem operations for a better control of processes, thus permitting the integration and consolidation of systems according to its business growth. Mexichem runs the most advanced technological research center, which is in charge of being up to date on the different levels required for the implementation of industrial projects. The construction of a pilot plant, which is in its final stages, will be designated for the storing of diverse research equipment such as thermic catalysts, X-ray diffraction equipment, absorption equipment, and scanning electron microscopes, among other things. And all this for the sole purpose of continuing to reach out further to discover new horizons. Mexichem Fluor's annual production is 660,000 tons of metallurgical gravel and 720,000 tons of acid-grade concentrate. These products are distributed both by railroad and by ground, as well as by sea, to other countries. And it is through this continuous search to integrate into the Fluorine Chain international operations with products of greater added value that we have achieved a presence in the USA, Europe, and Asia, in markets which deal in refrigerants and medical aerosols. These are operations of a high technological level with sophisticated and efficient global distribution chains. Mexichem Fluor is the largest fluoride producer in the world because it has a superior capacity for extraction and flotation, which is sustained by a highly mechanized structure, and because it carries out the planned and systematic exploitation of its large reserves in a systematic and responsible manner. Mexichem Fluor is aware of its position and therefore every day becomes stronger from within, training its employees and constantly updating its processes. Additionally, Mexichem Fluor has research and development laboratories for fluoride products, which will one day contribute with new compounds in the short and medium term. The determination is big and the options diverse. That is why Mexichem continues to carefully explore opportunities for integration in the short term that will permit taking advantage of its multiple strengths. Today, Mexichem Fluor is a powerful supply chain that reaffirms its position of leadership in the highly competitive world market, guaranteeing in this way its permanence in the long run. Its current wealth comes not only from the minerals the earth supplies to be transformed, nor only from its productive plants, but from its leadership, the attitude and experience of its labor force, and intelligence, which one man, united with others in organized groups, is capable of creating into a truly competitive labor superstructure. With this in mind, Mexichem Fluor, proud pillar of Mexichem, confirms each day that it is a conscientious business, not only in the economic arena, but also responsible environmental and social issues, and daily consolidating its position as a world leader in the area of mining and chemical production. Mexichem Fluor joins together, adding strength to the solid financial structure which supports and fills with vitality this great dream come true. Mexichem Fluor.